Hello everyone, welcome to my channel blogmonk, where I simplify blogging and SEO along with YouTube. In today's video, you will learn how to monetize your YouTube shorts. You will learn how the YouTube short watch time is counted. Now YouTube shorts was launched in September 2020 and it is still in the beta version, and hence all the country does not have YouTube shorts. It is a 60-second vertical format similar to YouTube videos, the TikTok videos and the Instagram reels. Now before we understand how to monetize YouTube shorts, you must understand that how do we see a YouTube shorts video. Now there are two ways by which you can watch a YouTube shorts video. The first one is that YouTube shelf, where we watch the videos while we are browsing, and the second one is that when someone exclusively visits your channel and watches the YouTube shorts from your channel. Let me show both of them from one of my channel. In this, whenever you open your YouTube, you will find that shorts are mentioned over here and also down below shorts. This is the YouTube shelf. Now if you watch a YouTube shorts video from this shelf, in that case your watch time is not counted. So if I watch a YouTube shelf videos from here, then this watch time is not counted. But if someone visits my channel and then go to the playlist and go to the individual YouTube shorts video, and if he or she watches from here, in that case this watch time is counted. So this watch time will be counted. So you must understand this very clearly, that if someone watches your YouTube shorts video from the YouTube shelf, in that case the watch time is not counted. But if someone visits your channel and then watches, then your watch time is counted. If this is the case, then how will your YouTube shorts get monetized? See, whenever someone watches your YouTube shorts, if they like your video, then they will subscribe to you, so they become your subscriber. Next time when you post a video, whether that is a normal video or a short video, they will get a notification, and if they watches those video through that notification, in that case the watch time will be counted. This way your shorts will help you get subscriber first and then watch time. And this is the way by which you can not only increase your subscriber base but also increase your watch time in order to get your minimum criteria of 100 subscribers and 4000 watch hour to get your YouTube channel monetized. I hope I have been able to answer your query. If you have any doubt, kindly mention below in the comment section. Like the videos if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Thank you.